Hello everyone, good morning. Kumusta kayong lahat guys? Ito kakaano pa lang natin guys. Ayun, medyo puno tong ano natin ngayon guys. Wala, hindi na siya masyado mainit guys. Mainit-init na lang. Naiwanan ko kasi siya na nagahan ko magtimpla guys, tapos na busy pa ako. So naiwanan ko na naman. Pero masarap pa rin. Still masarap pa rin guys. So kumusta ang araw nyo guys? Good morning. Have a good day to all and everyone. So tayo dito guys, nakaligo na tayo guys. Ayun. Medyo basa-basa pa rin ang buhok natin, but we feel fresh na guys. So yun ang morning natin. Nakaligo na tayo. Ayun guys, ang hair ko na talaga looks guys. Looks dry and wavy, but still good. But still fine, it's okay. As of now. So wala pa tayong budget guys para pang diyan. Pampa-beauty ng hair natin. So yun lang. Maraming salamat. Have a good day. Have a good day to all and have a wonderful day ahead. So yun lang guys. Maraming salamat.